Hello, Lex.
Hello, how are you?
Can you see me clearly? Am I
Yes, I can
audible?
see you clearly. Perfect. So what's your name?
Good. My name is Anush, and I'm from India.
Nice to meet you, Anush. And how
Nice
long
to
have
meet
you been
you
on
too.
cambly?
I'm quite new here, but I think it's going to be eighth or ninth conversation with you.
Hey, wait a second. It is. Because here it tells me that it's our first chat. Uh,
Yeah, our first chat. It's our
okay.
first conversation, but for me, it's ninth
Okay.
Cambly conversation.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So we haven't met before.
Yes, but I wrote you before and you replied me before.
Okay. Cool. I don't remember that, but that's awesome. Cool.
Yes, and
Um,
you told me and you
yeah.
wrote me that just let me know when you book my schedule. I'm in a conversation with you, and so that I can do some makeup to be
Ah,
on.
you said that you want to put it on YouTube?
Correct.
Okay.
Absolutely right.
Perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, so that's you.
And where
Awesome.
are you now?
I'm in Greece right now. I'm in Greece. So yeah, I'm half Greek, half Australian, but I grew up in
Hmm.
Greece. And
You're from you're from Australia, right?
yeah, I'm half Greek, half Australian, so I'm both.
Oh,
Yeah, but I grew up
how
in,
your
in
mom?
Greece.
Your so how? I mean, your father from
Yes,
Australia
so
or your
actually,
mother?
both my parents have heritage from Australia. My mother grew up in Australia, and
Mm-hmm.
my father also grew up in Australia, but they both moved to Greece. Well, my dad moved to Greece when he was young, and my mother moved to Greece when she met my dad. Yeah. So yeah.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
And are you where you said you're from India, right? Where
Right.
exactly are you from in India?
I'm from northeast actually,
Okay,
very
perfect.
close to Nepal.
Okay, cool. Do you like it there?
What? Say again?
Do you like it there? Do you like
I,
where you are, where you're
and
living?
yes, actually, it's my native place, so yeah, I like it.
Okay,
And
amazing.
actually, yep, and actually, I live in a village.
You live in a
So,
village. Mhm.
right,
What's that
I
like?
wrote you, I wrote you
Right?
about my location too, but you don't remember.
I don't
Okay, it's
remember right
okay.
now. I'm sorry. I speak to a lot of people, and actually, I don't remember what we said on the
It's
chat. I
common.
can really quickly have a look. But
Right,
yeah,
it's
if you want
common.
to tell me, I'll be happy to hear.
At the end of the day, we are human beings, not a
That's
computer.
true. Okay. Wait, let me see. Um,
Okay, you're gonna check it out, our chat.
okay, wait. Okay,
Okay,
what
check it.
I've seen is I want to have an okay. I can't remember if you've told me about where you're from because here I just see like that
Mm-hmm.
for the YouTube. That's the only
Okay,
thing.
I didn't write that I live in a village.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, okay. Actually, I edited my message for other
Mhm.
tutors, so I thought maybe I sent you that one.
Okay,
And
no worries. No worries. Do you want to tell me about your village?
why not? Why not?
Yeah.
It's perfect, and we book another conversation
Mm-hmm.
with you, another spot with you.
Yeah.
I'll try my best to talk with you from the green spot. I mean, from my
Okay.
garden.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Amazing. Perfect. So you have a garden.
Yes, garden. It's not so big, but it's kind of a small, and there are fields around me. So
Okay,
at this
cool.
time, you can see mustards in the fields everywhere.
Ooh, wow. Okay. So what do you like about your village?
Especially, I like that it's very quiet. very peaceful place here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and a short town is far from here, so we are kind of at the place which is virgin. I would say it's a virgin
Mm-hmm.
place, and uh, and and mostly the most important thing about my village is greenery around.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
yes, and the
Wow.
different kind of birds, different kind of birds. Maybe you can hear some sound or not.
I can't actually. I can't. But
Yes,
that's amazing. So you're in nature.
yes, absolutely, in the
Wow.
middle of the nature. So
Wow.
this is
Okay.
I like. And you're in Greece,
Yes, I'm in Greece, and it's very
as you told me. Hmm.
yeah, it's yeah, we I live actually in the suburbs, so like it's very calm and nice here too. But yeah, like I live close to the city, so look, I live in a city, and I live close to the center. So
Okay,
yeah, um, but I do have a village, which is really nice. Yeah, I like the peace and quiet, but I can't be, in a, how do you call it? In a, not a tight, I can't like be in a village constantly, basically, because I've grown up in a city. So it's more
yeah.
difficult. Yeah. But yeah, I do love going now and then, and yeah, it's really nice.
Eh,
What about you? Would you
Because
ever go to the city or anything like that? Would you ever?
yes, yes, I have been to several cities, but most of the time of my life so far I've spent in my village.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
amazing.
So I would say that if you live in a village, you
Hmm.
can aware of all the things of city as well. But
Hmm.
if you only live in a city, it's quite difficult to aware of things, what's going on in village, right? So you
Yeah,
need to go there,
yeah,
you need to spend your time there,
yeah, yeah.
and then you can compare the life, village
Hmm.
life or city life.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. That makes sense, actually. Um, I mean, yeah. So, what do you think are the pros and cons of living in a village?
Okay, so the first thing that I would say, facilities, okay,
This-
or availabilities of things. Yeah. So yeah,
Is that
though
a
it is
negative
quite,
or a positive?
it's negative point.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay.
Why? Yes, because
So not a lot
you
of
know that
facilities, lack of facilities, basically, or
there's two
products.
aspects. There's two aspects of everything.
Mm-hmm.
So it's uh, that you get peaceful environment around you. It's your positive aspect.
Mm-hmm.
But there, if you want to take it, you can. For example, if you want to catch a flight, you need to go to airport which is around city in general,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
right? Or something specific, any special product, okay, or a big hospital,
Uh-huh.
I would say yes. Though you
Mm-hmm.
can get or things,